gonna show you how to get Play-Doh out of carpet. First thing I'm gonna do is, because this is like, well, I'm gonna get the excess off without mushing it any harder into the carpet. It's dried in already. Like it's dry, it's Play-Doh, but it's not fully. Then I'm gonna vacuum it up. Okay. So the fully dry pieces are actually vacuuming up a lot easier. I would almost say it might be better to let it fully dry and then bust it apart and vacuum it, but we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna try. I just had a good idea just to loosen some of this stuff that's really ground in, because it's vacuuming up really easy. Maybe I won't even have to use the Tide or cloth. Just wanna loosen it. Okay, now I've got this. This is pretty stuck in here and I don't want to wreck the fibers of the carpet too much more by rubbing at it and picking at it. So I'm gonna have a very hot cloth with some powdered Tide on it. Just want to soften that Play-Doh. Oh yeah, I'm getting it off, see? So to get the Play-Doh out, all you need is a vacuum, a fork, what is this called? A dingle hopper, and some powdered Tide and hot water. And it came all the way out.